My name is Wilkins Key. I've got about a little over 25 years of market research experience. I have an MBA from Wake Forest University and have been interested in exploring new areas that are emerging in the market research and analytics markets. Yeah, the industry is changing. I think there are two things. There have been some new tools and techniques that have emerged. Number one, Python. I hadn't picked up Python. I was back in the days when SAS and SPSS were new. And two, AI. AI is really changing our industry, and I felt like I needed to really pick up the skills to be productive and using AI, not necessarily be afraid of it, but be more productive in using this type of technology here. So that was, just trying to put some more tools in the toolbox, so to speak. I took the I think it was Microsoft AI certified engineer course. And it delivered on what I thought it would. It was heavy into Python in the beginning, which is what I needed to get up to speed. So it was a good primer and a good introduction into Python. I was really interested in the way it moved into machine learning, and then some of the deep learning techniques that were taught. I thought it was well delivered, and I enjoyed the course. So. Yeah, I can't remember. I think I may have picked it up through a social media ad. I can't remember exactly how I came across Simplilearn, but talking with the rep really sold me on it. I can't remember who I spoke with as well, but they seemed very, very knowledgeable and answered my questions and the value for the course. I had looked at a couple of other courses, and this seemed to be a better value. It was interactive, it was online, it was on the weekends. So those are some of the things that really attracted me to the program initially. The initial part of the program I thought was very good. The instructor was very knowledgeable, very open to questions, encouraged going back and forth or two-way dialogue. He even presented extra material outside of the Simplilearn. He had crafted some cheat sheets that he had created that I thought were excellent. It's always good when you've got people that are using this technology day in and day out to kind of show you some of their tools. So I thought he went above and beyond the call of what he was asked to do. And it made himself very available to what he was teaching. Yeah, I'd say right off the bat, the Python learnings. I've used that as well as a deeper understanding of some of the machine learning and some of the deep learning tools and techniques. I'm looking to use some of the stuff that I learned out of the Simplilearn course to help develop that application.